was January, and I had just made the most difficult and probably the biggest decision of my entire life. I had just decided to pack up my stuff to say goodbye to friends and family and leave the United States to go to the Philippines or wherever God wanted me to go. My visa had expired, and my family, my immediate family here in the United States, they were on a different status, and I was the only one that had to leave the country. I knew in my heart of hearts that I wanted to honor God and also to honor the law of the land. I felt so torn inside having to say goodbye to my family and my friends. I had actually started looking for various places to live, but I knew it would be very difficult for me to adjust. And yet I knew I had to trust God. I knew that wherever He sent me, He would be my home. He would now have to be my new family, my new normal, my new friends, my new everyday companion. Though He had been for many years, I knew this would add a different meaning to His relationship with me. Right before purchasing my plane tickets, I received notice to appear in immigration court for removal proceedings. I had wanted so badly to avoid this, but the notice had arrived, and I was to appear, and they would determine how much time I had and when I had to leave the country by. I knew I didn't want to overstay. I wanted to do the right thing. And I prayed for God to show me where He wanted me to go and what He wanted me to do. And He provided an answer, a miracle for me. He provided me an immigration lawyer that told me and my family that there was a way for me to stay in the country, that there was a new immigration order that would allow me to stay, and that I was a perfect candidate. Leading to my court hearing, I prayed for my lawyer. And when that day arrived, God showed me exactly how He wanted me to be used for His ministry. I had been praying for God to use my pain for His gain and to show me the direction that He wanted me to take in life. And right after my court hearing, I was able to spend time with my lawyer and my parents, and he opened up about his faith, and I was able to pray with him, to pray a blessing for him, his family, his job, the people at the firm. God did wonderful things after that prayer. He opened so many doors for me to be able to witness to him and the people in his life. He even called me and said, "Karla, I know that God put me in your life for a reason, and I know that I want to take care of your immigration papers and everything else from this point on." And so I know that God answered my prayer. He provided for me a huge miracle. He took my pain and used it for His gain. My name is Karla, and my prayer was answered.